How to play Germany Rise of Nations easy method. Most people get this wrong, but playing Germany in Rise of Nations 2025 can be surprisingly powerful if you follow the right strategy. You won't believe how quickly you can dominate Europe with smart planning. Start the game by selecting Germany. Focus on your initial economy by building farms and resource structures immediately. Germany's unique position allows strong industrial growth, so prioritize iron, coal and food production early. Next, expand cautiously. Secure neighbouring territories with strategic resources. Build barracks and train infantry units while maintaining a strong economy. Germany's units are versatile, but overextending early can leave you vulnerable. Research is key. Invest in technologies that enhance industry and military efficiency. Opt for upgrades that improve infantry and tank production. Most players ignore this, but Germany's strength lies in combining economic power with well-timed military advances. Once your economy is stable, start expanding diplomatically or militarily. Form alliances to protect borders while building your army. Use tanks and mechanized units to quickly seize strategic positions, especially in regions with high resource value. The surprising truth is that Germany doesn't need reckless early war to succeed. Careful economic management, research, and selective expansion often lead to a stronger mid-game advantage than aggressive tactics. In conclusion, to play Germany effectively in Rise of Nations, focus on economy first, research wisely, expand strategically, and build a balanced military. Follow this easy method, and you'll control Europe efficiently without unnecessary risks.